If this our wonderful mother Nikweba, amalo maybe famelo, but according to our mother here, if abunima Igbo, maybe many of you gama ebe famelo. Well also will ije gacho data ki gelo ife our mother Nikweba. All the very, very important. Kinolo ife our lovely mother, our fearless mother Nikweba.
This is an act of terrorism.
Thank you.
Right? This is banditry. Onye bịara were ihe na-akụri ihe mmadụ ibie ekwe aka.
No notice, no.
Is a terrorist. Nnamdi Kanu na stand charges maka na ọ Nigeria zoo. Kedu ihe ga-akpọ nka? Na Nigeria wo obodo a fellow countrymen this is my region, this is my land. It's only in an animal kingdom, in a jungle, where a lion should eat another animal and go scot-free. And now in Nigeria, where a fellow countryman will boldly threaten a whole tribe, is not a terrorist. Although not threatening a whole nation, the Igbo land, he is not a terrorist. He is walking free. And has been given appointments. Asare Bekibo came out in the television to tell us that he was contracted by the federal government to cause mayhem. People like Iken Daiwa did not sit and react to it. Cash did not sit and react to it. Joy Bope, the father of them all, did not sit to react to it. But Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. And IPOP that have declared themselves as a peace, they want to get their freedom peacefully. So many of our children have been murdered today because of that. And now this is an extension of what is happening in the southeast, because so many people will die out of this. Only the last time there, so Igbo, our governors, our side, and our there can Allah. Mana anyị bụ nka ndị ile anyị ga-alọta and anyị ga-edezi ya site na amara Chineke.
Onye a deserve ka ịkpọ ma ọmị, the only woman na-agwa mụ na gị eziokwu, the only woman Asari Dokubo na-atụ ụjọ, the only woman Tinubu na-atụ ụjọ, and the only woman ndị agha ndị Naija na-atụ ụjọ, the most fearless woman like Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. I wish that na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu no outside ka ọfụ that na Chukwu Okike Abịama enyego ya another fearless woman onye ga-enyelo ya aka na-ekwu eziokwu. This is somebody deserve ka ị na-akpọ ma ọmị, ọbụla onye oshi nọ somewhere emela onwe ya church business, onye ji Bible ezi oshi, onye ji Bible askam ndị Igbo in the name of church, ị na-akpọ ya ma ọmị. This is a true person deserve ka ịkpọ ma ọmị